Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video is about my very first film camera. That camera is the Yashica TL Electro-X. This is a very affordable film camera, and it's an all-manual camera, so there's no auto exposure modes. You have to do everything yourself. It's very affordable, and you can pick these up for about $50 in pretty good shape. And so we're going to walk around, take some pictures. I'll show you a closer look at the camera and all of its features. But before we begin, I need to load some film into it. It's pretty bright outside, so I think we will go with some Ektar 100. Alright, so to open the back of the camera, there's a little pull down tab right here, and boom, there you go. The shutter in here is an all metal focal plane shutter. The shutter on the camera is able to shoot from 1/1000th of a second all the way down to about 1 second, and there is a bulb mode on the camera. This camera has an M42 mount, or a screw mount lens. The lenses literally just screw on. There are a ton of great cheap lenses for the screw mount system. You can pick these lenses up all day long on eBay for 50, 60, 80, 100 bucks for really good lenses. The Yashica TL Electro-X was one of the first film cameras to offer a light metering system that uses indicator lights to let you know if you're over or underexposed. Before then, and even after, a lot of cameras used a needle. And so when you look through the viewfinder, instead of seeing a needle letting you know what your exposure is, you'll see an arrow either pointing to the left or an arrow pointing to the right to let you know if you're over or underexposed. And because there's no needle, the light meter is a lot less likely to get thrown off if the camera gets bumped or jostled around. On top of the camera, we have our hot shoe, and you can mount your flash or wireless trigger there. The flash sync speed for the TL Electro-X is 1/90th of a second. And here on the side and right there are your flash sync ports for a wired connection to your flash or strobe. Right here is where the battery goes. And there's no way to do a double exposure on this camera, unfortunately. On the shutter button, there is a spot to put a shutter release cable, so that's helpful. Also on the front of the camera is a mirror up switch, which definitely made this camera stand out from the pack back in the day. All you have to do is flip that and the mirror will come up. Also here on the front is a self timer, and here is the lever to activate the light meter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks a lot.